What's up guys, welcome to another video here on this channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita, and this is the actual first video of 2019, and so I wanted to do a DIY vision board just to organize our thoughts, our goals for this new year, and I want to bring you guys with me because it's gonna be fun. So before starting the DIY, I just want to wish you all a happy new year, since this is the actual first video of 2019. Like I said, last video was just last year's footage, and so I didn't have the chance to just wish you all the best and, you know, be happy, achieve your dreams and goals for this year. And yeah, basically that's it. So let's get into the video. So a vision board, for those who are asking, is just a board where we just organize our mind, our thoughts, our goals, specifically for New Year's, in a more visual language. So we have a lot of pictures, some kind of like words and concepts to follow, and yeah, basically my vision board just has all my goals to be achieved this year and just some motivational pictures, so I can just wake up and think about the great year that I'm pretending on having. And yeah, that's it. And so I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, let's just go ahead, right? So for this DIY, what you're gonna be needing is some kind of board or canvas, and also some things to just attach the pictures or phrases to it, and also the actual pictures. I tried also to just find an aesthetics between all these photos, and just to create some coherence on this board. So the first step that I wanted to do with this vision board was to just paint my canvas all white, and then with a little triangle here, which is a salmon pink color. And basically these colors were chosen to just go along with the whole aesthetics that I had here on the Pinterest pictures that I printed. And yeah, basically that's it. So let's just get the photos placed on the canvas and rearrange the way that I want. So that was it for today's video, guys. I really hoped you guys liked it, because I was so excited during this video, since I've always wanted to do this kind of vision board slash mood board things for the year, and I've never had that impulse to do it. And so I did this time, and I was so glad because of the results that I got. This was amazing. This is amazing, and I just want to show it off, so yeah. But I think that's it. If you do your own vision board, don't forget to tag me on an Instagram story or whatever. My Instagram is right here, so if you want to follow and check out some DIYs behind the scenes. And yeah, I don't know what else to say besides that. I hope you all have an amazing year, and stay tuned for this YouTube journey that is just starting, because I always say this and I never get to the point where I actually do stuff. But this year I'm super motivated to do more videos for you guys, and stay tuned for next week's because it's gonna be a bullet journal video and I'm super excited. Bye.
I want to know.